once again to the Oval Academy of Education. In today's video, we are going to start ICSE Class 7 Math Chapter 5 Exercise 5.8, that is related to the exponent. Up to exercise 4 you have already done in our earlier videos. Now, what is exponent? This chapter is related to exponent, so we should clear our basics about exponent. What is an exponent? An exponent is the number of times the base is used as a factor. The number of times the base is used as a factor. Right? For example, a to the power n. Now, it has certain things in it. First is base, factor, number of times, right? So if we assume that a be a non-zero number, a is an non-zero number and m is an positive integer. Integer you have done earlier, all the numbers, natural and whole numbers beginning from zeros, positive and negative, right? Numbers include becomes the integers. Now it is a positive integer, so we will take it as positive. Then if we multiplied a number of times, right, a into a into a into a and infinite times, so then we write it as m. Suppose we take them as m times, right? Then we can write a raised to power m, where m is called exponent or power or factor, exponent or power or index of a. M is exponent or power or index of a, and a will be called as base, right? And this a raised to power m, a to the power m will be read is taken as exponential form of a. This means a has been multiplied a number of times, right, to the infinite number of times, that is m. So we will read it as a to the power m, a to the power m, right? Now, what is this power? Power, an expression that represents repeated multiplication of the same factor, repeated multiplication of the same factors, that is up to n, that is called power, right? So this is the definition of exponent and the related terms involved in it, like base, index, power. If we want to take it in numerical form, I will write its example as suppose 7 raised to power 3. This means that 7 is multiplied to 3 times. This power means 7 is multiplied to 3 times. 7 7 is 49, 7 is 343, right? If I write minus 2 raised to power 5, that will mean minus 2 multiplied minus 2, how many times? Its power is 5, we will take it as 5. Minus 2 minus 2 minus 2 minus 2 minus 2. Now here minus minus plus, minus minus plus, plus minus, our answer would be in minus. What will be answer? 2 to the 4 to the 8 to the 16 to the 32. So our answer would be 32. So this was the basic of the exponent. What is exponent and what is power, what is base. So do it carefully. Now we are going to start here. The different rules involved in it. that are called laws of exponent. There are certain laws on which exponent move, so we will do them here. Laws of exponents. What are these laws? Number first is a raised to power m multiplied a raised to power n. So whenever powers base are same, this base is same, this base power are different, then we are going to add the powers. Base will become as single a raised to power m plus n. Right, students? So if we take it's an example, 4 raised to power 3 multiplied 4 raised to power 5. So power base is same, power will be added. So this will be 4 raised to power 8. Right? Now second law is a raised to power m upon a raised to power n. So this means, what does this mean? Power is same, but here we are dividing them. Whenever we divide them, so this will go above and will by moving above it will become minus a raised to power n minus n. But condition is here is uh, if m is greater than m, n and a is not equal to 0, right? So here if we take example, suppose 7 raised to power 6 upon 7 raised to power 3. So base is same, power are different, we have to divide them. So while dividing, the denominator power will go above and become minus, right? 7 raised to power 3. That means 7 multiplied 7 multiplied 7, 7 7 49, 7 are 343. Here m is greater than n. This m is greater than n. So this condition has applied, this law has applied here. Now if I write a raised to power m upon a raised to power n, same are here, equal to, this will become a raised to power n minus n. Why this has happened? Formula is same, because if m is smaller than n and a is not equal to 0, right? Now this m has become smaller, here it was greater, this has become smaller, so this happens, right? For example, if we take an example 11 raised to power 3 upon 11 raised to power 7, here n, this is n has become greater, so our answer would be power is same, base is same, so 11 7 minus 3, 11 raised to power 4, right? So due to m becoming smaller or shorter, so this has happened, right? Now next we are going to do is law number 4 that is a raised to power m raised to power n, a raised to power m whole raised to power n. So this will become n multiplied n, or a is raised to power n. So if I want to give an example, 2 raised to power 3 raised to power 4, this will become 2 raised to power 3 multiplied 4, 2 raised to power 12, right? Now in the same way, fifth is the case, AB raised to power n. Here there are two bases, AB raised to whole raised to power n. Whole raised to power means this is also the power of A and also power of B. This means A raised to power n, B raised to power n. If I take example 5 into 4 raised to power 3, so this will 5 raised to power 3, 4 raised to power 3. Right? 5 multiplied 5 multiplied 5 multiplied 4 multiplied 4 multiplied 4. Right? Now sixth, what is sixth rule? A raised to power 0 will be treated always as 1. There is no 0. For example, if I write 7 raised to power 0, there your answer would be 1, not 0. Right? Take it as 1. If I write minus 4 upon 11 raised to power 0, its answer would be 1, not 0. Right? So students, these were the all rules related or laws related to the exponents. Now we will move on to the next one more, seventh. You have to keep in mind if I write a fraction a upon b raised to power m multiplied a upon b. So here this is form of fraction, but base is same, a upon b, a upon b. Whenever base are same, we multiply a fraction, then our powers are going to add. Same way, right? In the same way, if I write a upon b divided a upon b, here is power n, here is power n. Base are same, power are different. So answer will be a upon b, m minus n. Condition is m is greater than n. Right? In the same way, if I write a upon b, m divided a upon b, n. So here I will change it as a upon b, a n minus n. Here n is greater than here, yeah, or m is smaller than n. Right? Now if 10th rule, you should also keep in mind, if I write a fraction 0, you will take it as 1. Right? So these are all the laws related to the exponents. We are going to start here the exercise, that is exercise 5a. Right, students? Now what is our exercise? Exercise 5a. Now students, we are going to start the exercise 5a, fifth A. As we have done all the basics, right? Now we will start question number first. Question number first is evaluate. Evaluate what? Number one is, part first is 7 raised to power 4. This means 7 multiplied 7 multiplied 7 multiplied 7. 7 7 ja 49, 7 ja 343, 7 ja 2401. This is your answer. Part first is done. Now move on to second part. This is minus 5 raised to power 3, which means minus 5 multiplied minus 5 minus minus plus 5 5 ja okay, 5 5 ja 25, 5 ja 125. Now we have to decide the sign, plus or minus. Will it carry minus minus plus, plus minus minus? The answer would be minus 125. Third is, part third is 3 upon 4 raised to power 5. 3 multiplied 3 multiplied 3 multiplied 3 multiplied 3 upon 4 into 4 into 4 into 4 into 4. 3 3 ja 9, 3 ja 27, 3 ja 81, 3 ja 243, 4 4 ja 64, 4 ja 256, 4 4 ja 16, 4 ja 64, 256, 256, 4 ja 102. This is your. Now part 4 is minus 5 upon 2 raised to power 2. Minus minus plus 25, 2 2 ja 4. Answer is 25 upon 4. Right, students? Now question number 2 is write each of the following in the exponential form. Exponential form. We have already done the exponential form. First part is minus 7 upon 13 into minus 7 upon 13 into minus 7 upon 13. You have to write it in exponential form. Your base is same, so minus 7 upon 13. Now power 1 2 3. Minus 7 upon 13 raised to power 3. This is your answer. Alright. Part second of question 2 is your homework. You can do yourself. If we will face any problem, then contact us in our comment section. Now move on to question number 3. Question number 3. What is question number 3? Question number 3 is express each of the following in exponential notation. Exponential notation. No need to panic. You have done it right. Part first is 343 upon 512. We have to make the one way is you can make factors. 343, 7 4 ja 28, 6 remaining 63, 7 9 ja 63, 7 7 ja 1 2 3 7 हो गया, 7 raised to power 3. Now 5 1 2, 2 it is carrying 2, so we can make factors of 2. 2 2 ja 4, 1 2 5 ja 10, 2 6 2 ja again 6, again 2, 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4, 2 8 ja 2 6 ja 12, 2 4 ja 8, 2 35 32 sorry, 2 16, 2 8, 2 4, 2 2 ja 2 1 ja. How many 2s? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So it is uh, or we can think more. This is carrying power 3, we can also make 3. Take this 2 3, 2 2 ja 4 2 ja 8, 2 2 ja 4 2 ja 8, 2 2 ja 4 2 ja 8. That means this can also be written as 8 raised to power 3. 8 8 8. How many times 8 has come? 1 2 3. So we can write it as 7 upon 8 raised to power 3. No need to panic. Right, students? As you have done your basic rights, so there is no need to panic. You can do it easily. Now, this is minus 32 upon 243. So we can make factors of 32 by 2, 2, 16, 2, 8, 2, 4, 2, 2, yeah. Right, 3, 243. As it is carrying 3 in its place, it will go by 3, 3 8 ja, 24, 3, 3, 27 ja, 3, 9 ja, 3, 3 ja, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right, here we can write it as, this is carrying minus 32. So it is carrying minus 32, so we will write it as minus 2 multiplied minus 2 minus 2 minus 2, because if we want to minus here, so it will be in the odd form, 1 2 3 4 5. That means 5 times 2, odd form, 1 2 3 4 5. It has no minus, so we can write it as it is 1 2 3 4. So minus 2 upon 3, 5 times we can write it as 5 times. Right, students? No need to panic. Apply your basics. Now part third. Part third is minus 1 upon 128. So we have done 152 here. Now we need 128. So we can rub the upper part. We need 128 only. So how many times 2 has come in the 128? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So minus 1 upon 2, we can now keep one thing in mind. If this is 7 is odd number, if this is odd, then it will carry minus with it. Suppose it has come 6 times, no, then minus would have gone. Right, they see here minus 1 minus 1 minus 1 minus 1 minus 1. How many times? 1 2 3 4 5 and minus 1. Minus minus plus, minus minus plus, minus minus plus. It would have becomes plus 1. That would have done our question wrong. Now this is odd number, so it will be minus. One time odd, then plus minus minus. Right? Keep this thing in mind while doing sum. Now question number 4, 729 upon 64. So factors of 64 could come from here. We need only this 64. 1 2 3 4 5 6. As it is having 6, so we can make 729. We will try it by 3. So this is carrying 9 in the last, so it could be divided by 3. So 24 3 ja 72, 3 3 ja 9, 3 8 ja 1, 3 27 ja 3 9 ja 3 3 ja 3 1 ja. Right? So how many times 3? 1 2 3 4 5 6. 3 multiplied 3 multiplied 3 multiplied 3 multiplied 3 1 2 3 4 5 multiplied 3. How many times 2? 1 2 3 4 5 6. 2 multiplied 2 multiplied 2 multiplied 2 multiplied 2. So 3 upon 2, both having 6 powers, so we can write it. If this would have 5, so no need to panic. We can write have 5. 3 raised to power 6, 2 raised to power 5. That could be written like this. But fortunately, this is both are having 6, so we will write them as this. Right. Now we will move on to question number 4. Question number 4 is again exponential notation. Exponential notation. Right. Part first is 5 upon 21 raised to power 3 multiplied 5 upon 21 raised to power 3. Now see, sorry, this is 8. Base is same but powers are different. So base is, will write remind first law where base was same, power was going. So remember the first law, powers, when base is same, powers will be added. So this has become added. Right. Now part second, you will do yourself. Part second is your homework. Third is what? 13 upon 43 raised to power 7 divided by 13 upon 43 raised to power 2. Now see, this is m, this is n. While dividing, it has to be kept in mind. This is smaller than this, then no problem. It could be written as 13 upon 43. Base is same. This will go above and got itself minus. So this will become 13 upon 43 raised to power 5. No problem in it. Now part 4. Part 4 is minus 16 upon 35 minus 16 upon 35 raised to power 3. Right? This is smaller, this is bigger, no problem in it. So our answer will become, base is same, 35, 16 minus 3. Answer is minus 16 upon 35, 16 minus 3 is 13. Right? No problem. Now fifth, minus 7 upon 15 raised to power 12 divided minus 7 upon 15 raised to power 15. Now here this has become bigger, this is smaller. So no problem is also here. Minus 7 upon 15. Now base is same. Base is same, but this has become bigger. For that, powers we will do minus as it is, as we have done in this, but we will make numerator the denominator and denominator the numerator. Right? 15 minus 12 minus 15 upon 7. This is, whenever this will be bigger, the while doing minus, the numerator will become denominator and denominator will become numerator, or we can say it will be written we will write reciprocal of this. Right? Minus will be done as it is, from bigger smaller. No need to put minus in the powers. Right? So this was sixth is your homework. It is just like this. Fifth, you can do yourself. Now question number 5th. Express each of the following as a rational number. So for first is 6 upon 5 raised to power 3 multiplied 5 upon 2 raised to power 2. Now students, the base are different. Base are different. So if we are having bases different, we have to solve this. 6 upon 5 multiplied 6 upon 5, 6 upon 5 multiplied 5 upon 2, 5 upon 2. Now we can solve these two, 2 3 ja, 2 3 ja. So answer 6 3 ja, 18 3 ja 54 upon 5, right? Or we can write 10 4 upon 5, 5 times 50 plus 4, 54, right? This is your first. Now second part is 3 upon 4 raised to power 2 multiplied minus 1 upon 2 raised to power 5 multiplied 2 raised to power 3. No need to panic. 3 upon 4 multiplied 3 upon 4 multiplied minus 1 upon 2 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 multiplied 2 into 2 into 2. Right? So these three are cancelled with these three. Now 3 3 is 9. So minus minus plus minus minus plus plus minus minus. So this will become minus 9, and this will become 4 4 ja 16, 2 ja 32, 2 ja 60. So this will be our answer. Right, students? Now move on to third. Third is your homework. You can do yourself. Third and fourth are your homework. You can do yourself. If you face any problem, go in our comment section. Fifth, 7 upon 11 raised to power 6 divided by 7 upon 11 raised to power 3. Now students, this you can put our law in it. This is smaller, this is bigger. So our answer would be base is same, 6 minus 3, right? 7 upon 11 raised to power 3. So 7 multiplied 7 multiplied 7 upon 11 multiplied 11 multiplied 11, 7 7 is 9, 49, 49 7 is 340, 3 11 11 is 121, 121 11 is 1331, right? Now sixth is much similar. It would be difficult for you, so I am get it. I am getting it done. Here 12. Now this has become bigger, this is smaller, no need to panic. Make reciprocal of this, minus 3 upon 4, 12 minus 8. So this will become minus 3 upon 4, 12 minus 8, 4. Minus 3 multiplied, minus 3, minus 3, minus 3 upon 4 multiplied 4 multiplied 4 multiplied 4. So this will become 3 3 ja 9 ja 27, 3 ja 81, minus minus plus, minus minus plus, so it will become plus. 4 4 ja 16, 4 ja 256, 4 4 ja 16, 16 64, 64 ja 256. So this is our answer. You can do it. Right, now move on to the next question, number 6. Question number 6 is simplify and express each of the following as a rational number. We have to get it simplified and expressed as rational number. Part first is 10 raised to power 2 multiplied 15 raised to power 2. 2 raised to power 2 multiplied 3 multiplied 5 raised to power 5 multiplied 6 raised to power 4. So if we will do it 10 10 ja 100, 15 15 ja 225, then it will become difficult for us. So we are going to break it down in these powers. So 10 ja 2, 5 ja 10 raised to 4 raised to power 2 multiplied 3 raised to power 3 5 ja 50 raised to power 2. So we are getting to break them into the, so this is 3, so 3. Now 2 raised to power 2, 3 5 raised to power 5 multiplied 6 raised to power 4. So we can write it as 2 raised to power 2 multiplied 5 raised to power 2, 3 raised to power 3 multiplied 5 raised to power 3. So 2 raised to power 2 multiplied 3, 5 raised to power 5 multiplied 6 raised to power 4. So this is carrying 2 raised to power 2, this will cut down. Now what will our next step? 5 raised to 5, 5, this base, if these are going to multiply, their power will be added. 5 raised to power 2 plus 3, right? And this is 3 raised to power 3. Now 3 multiplied 5 raised to power 5, 6 raised to power 4. So this has become 5 raised to power 5 multiplied 3 raised to power 3, 3 multiplied 5 raised to power 5, 6 raised to power 4. So again same powers will go on, right? Now this has 3, this 3 will become, or we can write 3 raised to power 3 upon 3 multiplied 2 raised to power 2 multiplied 3 raised to power 4. 3 raised to power 3, 3 multiplied 2 raised to power 4 multiplied 3 raised to power 4, right? So 1 power 3, 3 raised to power 3, this will become 3 raised to power 4 plus 1, 1 multiplied 2 raised to power 4. This has become 3 raised to power 3, 4 plus 1, 5, 3 raised to power 5 multiplied 2 raised to power 4. So this will become, bases are same, this will came down and become minus. So 1 will be remaining above. 3 raised to power 5 minus 3 multiplied 2 raised to power 4. So this is become 3 raised to power 2 multiplied 2 raised to power 4. Now 1 upon 3 3 ja 9 multiplied 2 2 ja 4 2 ja 8 2 ja 16 16 9 ja 144 1 upon 144 is our answer. Right, no need to panic, do it easily. Now we are moving on to the second part of it. What is second part? Question second part is 3 raised to power 5 multiplied 25 multiplies 10 raised to power 5 upon 5 raised to power 7 multiplied 6 raised to power 5. Again we are making 3 raised to power 5 into 25 means 5 raised to power 2 multiplied 2 into 5 raised to power 5. So 5 raised to power 7 multiplied 2 raised to 2 multiplied 3 raised to power 5. We have broken down this 6. This will become 3 raised to power 5, 5 raised to power 2 multiplied 2 raised to power 5 multiplied 5 raised to power 5. Now 5 raised to power 7 multiplied 2 raised to power 5 multiplied 3 raised to power 5. Right, this 3 raised to power 5 got cancelled, this 2 raised to power 5 2 raised to power got cancelled. So these base are same. This will become 2 plus 5 5 raised to power 7 upon 5 raised to power 7. This will cancel. Answer will be 1. Only 1 is remaining after doing all the operations. Right. Now students, we will move on to question number 7. What is it? Question number 7 is, in your book is, the distance between Earth and Moon is approximately 38400 km. Express the distance in the meters in the exponential notation. Right? So solution is total distance equal to 38400 kilometer. Write in meters. 1 kilometer is how many meters? 1000 meters. So 3840000 meters. Right? He has asked us to write it in the exponential. So we will to sorry, this is 4000. So we will get its whole number into the zeros. How many zeros? 2 4 6. So 10 raised to power 6 0, 10 raised to power 6 meters. This is the exponential form. Question number 8. RAM of a computer is 8 gigabyte. If each gigabyte is equal to 10 raised to power 9 bytes, then express in the RAM in bytes. We have to express the RAM in bytes. So RAM, random access memory of a computer, is equal to 8 gigabyte. Right? Each gigabyte, 1 gigabyte is equal to 10 raised to power 9 bytes. Therefore 8 gigabyte is equal to 8 into 10 raised to power 9 bytes. This is in bytes. Question number 9. So question number 9, do it carefully. It is a good question. In a tennis competition, 128 players were selected for a series of knockout rounds. In each round, the losers were eliminated and the winners reached the next round. How many players moved to the next round after fourth round? Express this number in exponential notation in terms of the initial number of players. Right? So we have to do it carefully. For that, we will make a chart like this. To understand it carefully, we will make a chart. Right? So here we will divide it in three parts. 1, 2, and 3. Right? He is saying how many places? 128 places. So we will write here round. Right? Number of players left. After each round, players were eliminated or left. Now we have to represent in exponential notation. Right, students? So we have to write it in the exponential notation. Now, round, how many rounds are there in this knockout rounds? What he has after fourth round. So, rounds we will go by fourth round. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Right? Round 0, round 1, round 2, round 3, and one more round we put it here. That will be our fourth round. Now total players were 128 in the 0 round. Right? Now in this, if we denote it by exponential form, so as player round is 0, we will take power of 2 as 0. Right? Now here how many players will left? 64. So this is round 1, 64 upon 2 raised to power 1. Right? Now 32. So this will become this will be carrying 128. 8 upon 2 or 64, no? Right? Now 32. So this will 128 upon 2 raised to power 2. Right? Now 16. This will become 128. Third round is 2 raised to power 3. This is fourth round. The players will remain 8. 128 upon 2 raised to power 4. So what we have learned from here, uh, how many players move to the next round after fourth round? How many players? How many players are there? 8. 8 are remaining. 8. The number of players move to the next round. Next round after fourth round will be 8, right? Second, he has asked express this number in exponential notation. Exponential notation of the initial number of players. What is the exponential notation? This is our exponential. 128 upon 2 raised to power 4. Right? If we solve it, we will get 8. 2 to the 4 to the 8 to the 16. 16 divided by 120. 16 8 ja 128. This is our answer. Right, students? So it is a good question. Do this carefully. Now, question number 10. Question number 10 is express the following in centimeters in exponential notation. So part first is 98 H meter. H meter means hectometers. So now we have to express them as in centimeter. In centimeter. So how many parts are there of this? There are 3 parts. Three parts. So if we are going, we can do this in second part is here, third part. So second part is 156 kilometer. I am getting to do it in just one part, 371 meter. If we can do it in just one table. So here are at kilometer, meter and hectometer. So we have to develop a relation. What would we have to convert it into centimeter. Convert in centimeter. We have to convert it in the centimeter. Right? So first is 98 hectometer. So 1 hectometer 10 decimeter, decameter, and we have to take it in the centimeter. We have to take it in. So is equal to 10 raised to power 4 centimeter. Therefore 98 kilometer will be 98 multiplied by 10 raised to power 4 centimeter, right? In the same way, this is 156 kilometer. 156 kilometer, we have to convert it into centimeter. 1 kilometer is equal to 10 raised to power 5 centimeter. Therefore 156 kilometer would be 156 multiplied by 10 raised to power 5 centimeter. Third is 371 meter. So meter, kilometer are 10 raised to power 5. 3 would be gone. Therefore 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter, right? So 3 that means 100 centimeter, 10 raised to power 2 centimeter. So this will 371 meter will be 371 multiplied 10 raised to power 2. So you have to keep these things in mind. Only then you can do this. So students, this was our last question of 5th A. This chapter has only one exercise, exercise 5A. 5B you can do at home. It is easy. Only objective type questions are there. You can do them easily. So this was our chapter 5 related to exponent. Someone has requested me to do this exercise early, so I have done it. If you have liked it, understood it well, then please make more and more likes and shares of this, and get our channel subscribed to more and more of your friends and students, so that they can also be helped. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any doubt, you can go in the comment section of our channel and write to us. We will certainly do your help by solving the sums requested by you, right? So it's goodbye now. We will meet in the next video with some other exercise, new chapter. Till then, it's goodbye.